Here's the complete action of the writing slides opening leaves. You have the trip lever here, which will hit the underside of the shelf above, and when the writing slide tips up, this hits the shelf and releases the flaps. And then the most fun part about it is that there's a retractable ledger on the outer edge. It's spring-loaded and opens automatically when the leaves open up. And then that keeps a book from sliding off. And then when the leaves are closed again, that retracts. So that's the whole business there, is all the action. You've got the retracting ledger to hold a book, and the leaves, and the trip lever.